Om Pranam. Hello, I'm Dr. Vimal Saxena and welcome you all in my channel, Yogic Wellness with Vimal, wherein we are trying to find out the solutions of the problems in our life related to health issues, the mental issues, the eating habit, the overall lifestyle with the help of Ashtanga Yoga. In this series, today we are going to start a series of some of the videos wherein we will be focusing majorly on that how we can make our core strong, how we can reduce our weight, how we can reduce the extra fat, especially on this area, how we can keep our lower back strengthened, our legs strengthened, to keep that energy in your body to perform your duties, to perform your work. In this series today we are going to do an asana which is known as Ardha Halasana, which is a kind of preparatory asana for the further asanas. So Ardha Halasana, which is also known as half plow pose. This asana very easy to do, but as we have discussed in earlier videos also, we need to remember about the contraindications along with the benefits whenever we are performing any asana. So let's begin with this. So if I talk about the benefits of half plow pose or Ardha Halasana, it helps you with your hamstring muscles, it helps you with your lower back, making it flexible, making it strengthened. It helps you with your core abdomen. It also helps you with your pelvic muscles to make the pelvic muscles strong. With all these benefits, it also helps in for your rib, for your lungs, for for creating a balance between the oxygen or breathing techniques and the exercises. At the same time, we must remember the contraindications also, who should not perform it. So anyone who has got any kind of injury, stomach injury, lower back injury, knee injury in past 6 months and all, or still in the injury, should not do it. Avoid doing that. Pregnant women should not do this Ardha Halasana, the half plow pose, and people with who have got any kind of neck issues, cervical issues, should avoid doing half plow pose. So remembering the benefits and the contraindications, now let's see how this should be performed in a better way. Alright, so to perform half plow pose, the Ardha Halasana, you need to lie down on your back, relax, make sure you are completely relaxed in this position. Now slowly try to keep your both the legs together, keep your hands near to your body. Now if you are a beginner, you can keep your hands under your waist also to provide additional support. That will help you to provide some support to your lower back, which would not be. So that you can do if you are a beginner. Slowly breathing in and lift your legs. Try to make this 90-degree angle. Make sure your toes are pointed, your knees are straight. Hold in this position for some time. Slowly breathe out and take your legs down. Remember, holding has to be as per your capacity. Do not try to hold for a longer time in the beginning stage. You can you can start with 10 seconds first, and then slowly you can improve your time to stay in asana. Remember, for asana we always say sthira sukhasanam. If you can still in an asana, that then only you will feel the benefit of that asana, sthira sukhasanam. Let me do it one more time, keeping your hands near to your body. Breathe in, up, make a 90-degree angle, hold, slowly breathe out, take your legs down, do it slowly. Right. After doing this, you can do 5 seconds of Shavasana. So see how simple it was, how simple it is to perform in your day-to-day routine to make sure to have a strength in your lower part of your body, to keep your core strengthened, to make your lower back strengthened. This was Ardha Halasana. Perform it every day. Remember, the key is continuity, but do it as per your capacity. Yatha Shakti Nirantaram. Do it with continuity, but as per your capacity. Slowly you can build the time. Alright, so this was Ardha Halasana, half plow pose. Now it's time for the tip of the day. So I often see these questions, people discuss about it, reducing fat, and there's a myth also among the people that if you will reduce your food intake, you can reduce your weight. No, you need to eat food in order to reduce weight. Just make sure you are eating the right food. So if your metabolism, so this Ardha Halasana, even there are few more asanas in coming series which we will be performing here, they all will help you to improve your metabolism. So if you really want to improve metabolism, exercise, yoga is one thing. Second thing, the proper diet. The diet which has got high protein intake, the diet which has got high fiber, less fat. So you will have to eat if you really want to reduce your weight, but eat the right food in right quantity. That's the only thing. This was a tip of the day. Just by leaving the food, if you think that you can reduce your weight, it is not going to happen. Remember, there is no magic. It's not going to happen over a night or in a month. It's gonna take time. So your continuous effort is required. That's it from today's video. We'll meet in the next video with some more asanas wherein we will be discussing about how we can help to improve our health, the physical health as well as the mental wellness. Thanks for watching. If you liked it, like and subscribe. To see you in another video. Thanks. Om Pram.